Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my hair and makeup, a nice glam look. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So I started off with the MUA Pro Base Oil mixed in with some sun cream. I use this every morning to do my makeup to like moisturize my face because I think SPF is so important. Then I use number 7's Radiant and then a Rimmel or Maybelline foundation. I mix the two of these in because it gives me the radiance and it also gives me my coverage. I like full coverage. Even on a basic day when I'm doing nothing, coverage is still my #1 priority. So I go in with a brush first of all, and then I'm using Makeup Revolution concealer. As you can see, it's open and I get every last scratch out of it, and I just apply that under my eyes with a Juno sponge. I like my face to look like I'm wearing makeup. I do like the coverage and everything. Maybelline Matte Maker and powder all over, and I like to just pat this on with my brush. I like to mattify my skin out because just at the moment it's been going quite oily, so I like to give it a good matte. Then Makeup Revolution Bake Finish. I like to use this just kind of under my eyes with a dry sponge just to buff out under my eyes and make them look a bit more brighter. Then I go in with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit and I buff that out. I kind of use that to help buff out any lines that I might have done while I was baking. I don't like to leave on my bake too long, and you'll probably see me brush it off in a second. And I contour my nose, pretty basic. I think I was pretty basic. And then I use the number 7 blush. I like to just apply this higher. I have been applying it a lot higher. I've seen a lot of people do it, and I think I do like it, although I do miss it on my apples and my cheeks, but I'm going to keep doing it higher for now. Then the Blushing Hearts concealer, or highlighter, sorry, and a fan brush. I know fan brush isn't for everyone, but it's for me, so we're going to go with it. Then I'm going to use some brow gel by Catrice, and I just apply this all over. And I just apply this on my brows. This works well like when my brows have been freshly done and maybe for like a week or two, and then when they start to overgrow, then I really have to put in the work. So when I don't have to put in the work, I really don't, and I just keep it basic. Then I go in with the Hoola bronzer again, and I just apply this to my lids and my waterline, and I just buffed out the end of my brow with a brush. So this was just a real basic kind of eye. I didn't want it to look too dramatic or anything. And then I went in with some mascara. I believe this was the number 7 mascara. I can't really see it, but yeah, it was the number 7 mascara. I just did a light coat all over, and it just gives me that awake look in. And then I went in and did my lips. I used a lip liner from Primark. It's a pink one, I think number 4. And then I went in with some lip gloss all over. This is from $1 Million Facials. One of the girls I work with, she sells this. It's like a dry lip tint. And then I went in with some gloss. That gloss I literally got in the pound shop for like £1, and I absolutely love it. And then I just pat it around my nose because, as we know, I have a struggle with the nose and keeping the makeup on. So now we're going to go on to the hair. So I just split it in half, give it a good brush through. This is a good hairstyle for like no heat, although I think I did use a little bit of heat, but you don't have to. So I do a braid either side and just pancake it out, just a normal braid. This will work with anyone's hair length, as long as that's maybe to like the collarbone and down. So leave out a little bit of hair and I braided each side. As you can see, just a normal 3-strand braid. I do have a longer video on this, but if you want a more detailed version of this hairstyle, I can do it. I just thought, just fast forward for the video so it's not too long. And then you'll see what I do next is I clip it around my face. I must have been watching something on my phone because my face is so concerned looking. So then you just want to pat it in, or like brush it into place and keep it and pin it down till you get the desired look that you want. And I try to hide the elastic bands under other bits of my hair, and then I went in and curled the front. This bit is completely optional, you don't have to, but I find this way my hair doesn't get heat all over. And then I just let it kind of brush out, or I let it fall out depending how long I'm at home. And that's really kind of the end of the tutorial. So let me know if you want me to do in-depth more detail on more things. This is kind of my makeup for work every day. It's really quick, it's really easy. It takes me like 15 minutes. There was a bit more that I didn't need, so I put it behind. But I can do a few more of these quick and short makeup and hair videos for work. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know why I've left in this video. I have this video in so I can take thumbnails from it.